Hi, I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here for my weekly reset. Today, as I work around my house and prepare for the weekend, I'm thinking about all of the things that concern my loved ones. As I start to fret and worry about so many things, I stop to remind myself that the Bible views worry as an unnecessary burden that distracts from trusting God. 1 Peter 5:6-7 encourages believers to give all their worries to God, emphasizing that He cares for them. I start to think about the Apostle Paul as he commanded believers not to be anxious about anything. Instead, he instructs them to present their requests to God, which results in peace that surpasses all understanding. In Matthew 6:34, Jesus says, "Therefore do not worry about tomorrow, for tomorrow will worry about itself. Each day has enough trouble of its own." Jesus points out that being anxious about the future doesn't actually solve anything or add a single hour to your life. He encourages focusing on God's provisions today. These scriptures are all very comforting and reassuring. I hope they bring you some relief and help and ease your worry and anxiety today. Thank you so much for being here for my weekly reset. I really appreciate you so much, and I would be so happy if you click the like button and subscribe. And I hope you come back next week again for my weekly reset. I'll see you then.